They want us to solve this 3 by 3 system of equations, but they're going to let us use matrices. Remember, matrices allow us to take these coefficients 1, 2, 1, 3, -4, 2, 1, -1, 4. That's my coefficient matrix. My matrix, or my variable matrix, is that, and my solution matrix is that over there. So you can see where I got those from. In fact, if you want to check it, let's go ahead and do a little bit of math here. How do I multiply a 3 by 3 matrix by a 1 by 1 matrix?
Row by column.
I'm sorry, by a 3 by 1 matrix. What am I going to end up with if I multiply 3 by 3 by 3 by 1? These two are allow you to do it, right? The fact that the column of the first is equal to the row of the second, and then your resultant matrix is going to be 3 by 1, which it is. So if I remultiply this out, I go row, column. What's that row times that column? 1x plus 2y plus 1z. And where's that at? It's right there. And what does that equal?
6.
That equals 6. That's all a matrix is. The matrix is just the reverse of, or it's just another way to view a system of equations. I shouldn't say that's all it is, but that's how it can help us view the system in a different form. The form is called matrices. And now what I can do, if I call this matrix A and punch it into my calculator, I call that matrix X. I don't have to punch that into my calculator. I call that matrix right there B. Now I can solve for X by essentially dividing by A, except there's no such thing as dividing by A.
You have to do A inverse.
You could multiply by the inverse of A. So that's what I'm doing. I'm multiplying by the inverse of A. So X equals the inverse of A times B. So when they say show your work, what they really mean is show me what your A inverse matrix is. And they don't, in this particular part, it was on a calculator portion of the exam. So you can use your calculator to determine what A inverse is. And then you might have to use the button that converts it back into fractions. So A inverse equals
1.
So there's your inverse matrix. That's what they mean by work. There's your work. And then when you actually multiply this with matrix B, which is right here, you're going to get your answer, which is -1, 2, 3, which means X, Y, Z. There are your answers. And you can check it by plugging in -1 for X, 2 for Y, 3 for Z in each one of these equations, and those equations should all be true, meaning the left side equals the right side, and you'll see that that does in fact work.